YouTube is hard. Thumbnails, titles, descriptions, SEO, watch time, CTR, retention curves. I mean, come on. I have around 70,000 followers across Instagram and TikTok, so I understand content. But YouTube, congratulations. You are the final boss, and you know what? You're killing me. You're killing me.
I need to know everything, who in the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying.
I just posted my 12th long form video, and I wanted to share what I've learned so far, because if you're struggling with YouTube, I'm right there with you. This isn't a how to blow up on YouTube video, clearly, because if you haven't noticed, I haven't blown up just yet. But this is what I've figured out from being consistently humbled by this platform. So let's talk about, I'm gonna break down 3 things that are different about YouTube, what's actually working for me and what's not really working yet, and the biggest lessons that took me around 12 videos to find out. Okay, first of all, let's talk about why YouTube is so different from Instagram and TikTok, because it's not just longer videos. Here's what I've noticed. On Instagram, if a reel flops, you lose around 30 seconds of somebody's time. They scroll, forget about it, and you probably just post again tomorrow anyway. On YouTube, you're asking somebody for at least 10 minutes of their time, and they have to choose to click on the video, and then they choose to stay. And if they leave after about 30 seconds, YouTube punishes you for it. The commitment required from both you and the viewer is just so much higher. Once you realize this, you really need to work hard at nailing your thumbnails and titles to get them through the door. Now, once they're in and they've taken off their shoes, the first 30 seconds are crucial for them to now take off their jacket and feel comfortable. You see, Instagram and TikTok show your content to people who don't know you yet. The algorithm pushes you out to the For You page so you can potentially go viral even without having any followers. YouTube, on the other hand, YouTube mostly shows your videos to people who are 1, already subscribed, 2, to people who are searching for exactly what you just made, or 3, may show it on the homepage for people it thinks might enjoy it. The tricky part here is when you are just starting out, YouTube doesn't know who the hell to show it to because it doesn't have enough data on you as a creator yet. This is the painful phase. But equally, this is the phase which will make or break most creators. But you and me, we're gonna keep going, because this phase isn't about discovery for us. It's about our intentions. If we can nail that message and correct our packaging, it will reach the right audience eventually. On Instagram, the metrics for success is simple. Views, likes, comments, and that's kind of it. But on YouTube, you've got click-through rate, average view duration, watch time, impressions. And the thing is, they all matter. But which one matters most? YouTube won't tell you. I mean, if you know, please drop it in the comments. That would be super insightful. Okay, so after 12 videos, here's what's actually working and what's not. See, I thought I understood thumbnails because, well, take a look at my IG feed. It's pretty cool, right? Wrong. Instagram thumbnails are about pattern interrupts, bright colors, bold text, stopping the scroll, which you can see I've done here. But YouTube thumbnails, they're all about clarity and curiosity. People need to know what they're clicking on and why they should even care in the first place. The thumbnails that worked for me was one like this, which was showing my whole face, plus the clear benefit from the text. And the ones that flopped, well, I think I was trying to be too vague or too clever, or you know what, there's probably just too much going on in general. Truth is, YouTube doesn't really care how good our video is at minute 5 of the video. If people leave within the first 30 seconds, that's a major red flag for the algorithm, and it's just gonna be like, why should I keep pushing out this video? People ain't watching it. So here's what I learned. Don't waste your time with long intros if you're still a small creator. Don't do the whole, hey guys, welcome back thing, because really no one's back yet, okay? Your first 30 seconds should answer, why should I keep watching this video? And then it's our job to deliver on that promise throughout the rest of the video. See, everybody says post consistently on YouTube, and they're right. But here's the thing they don't tell you. YouTube doesn't reward you for posting every single week. It rewards you for building a catalog. Each video is a door, and the more doors you have, the more ways people can find you. Instagram and TikTok are more like sprint platforms, whereas YouTube is like running the marathon. Your 12th video will still be working for you in 6 months' time. All right, this is fun, but let me be honest about what's not working so well just yet, because I feel like this is the part that most people will leave out for obvious reasons. I'm at around 340 subs right now after about 12 videos. So that's an average of 28 subs per video. On Instagram, for context, I gained 60,000 followers in less than a year. So the difference is very humbling and very frustrating at times, but honestly, feeling like you've earned every single sub I don't know, man. There's something that just kind of hits different about that in a good way. But what I've learned from watching countless other YouTubers who are way ahead of me in this journey is that YouTube growth compounds. So it's really, really slow at first from almost everybody, and then it accelerates. So I'm choosing to kind of believe in that and just trust the process, because it kind of happened that way for me on Instagram too. See, some of my videos are my experience as a creator, some are tutorials, and some are behind the scenes. And YouTube is basically like, that's cool, but who are you? So bit by bit, we are building up those data points because YouTube rewards clarity. Another thing I'm working on testing at the moment is thumbnails. They have sort of been all over the place. So I'm gonna try and narrow down and start testing around 2 to 3 different styles and kind of see what works. So if you see me posting different types every single video, you have the permission to pull up on me and make me take a hard look at myself, because clearly I need the accountability. So after 12 videos, what's the one thing I'd tell somebody starting YouTube today? YouTube isn't hard because of the algorithm. It's hard because it requires patience. Instagram rewards speed, TikTok rewards volume, but YouTube, it rewards patience. You don't see results in a week. You don't even see them in a month. You see results after maybe 20, 30, 50 videos. When you've built a catalog, when you've learned what works, and when the algorithm finally understands who the hell you are. So if you're struggling with YouTube right now, it's not because you're bad at it. It's because you're early, and early always feels like failure until it doesn't. Don't get twisted. YouTube is hard, but I think that's the point. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. And the fact that it's hard means that people who stick with it actually have a shot. I'm 12 videos in, and I'll check back at 24 and let you know if any of these changes have actually made a difference. So if you're figuring out YouTube, like and subscribe, and let's figure it out together. And if you've been doing YouTube longer than me, then drop me a comment with your biggest lesson, because clearly I need all the help I can get. So I will see you. I said I will see you in the next one. Peace and love every single time. Dens. Keep creating.